you've taken a look at what your competitors are up to lately, chances are they're probably doing something to be at the top of the SERPs. Detect opportunities to improve your strategy for your website, blog, or e-commerce optimizations by conducting an SEO analysis of your competitors. So, if you're growing tired of missing out on free traffic to your competitors, get working on your next project for SEO competitor analysis. This video will go over how a competitor analysis will improve your organic ranking and essential components such as keywords, backlink, and content analysis you should focus on. Are you ready? What is an SEO competitors analysis? When you research URLs, including backlinks, keywords, content, and organic efforts for your online competitors, you're well on your way to performing an SEO competitive analysis. Understanding the strategy behind how companies compete for the keywords of products, services, or demographics as you are is another component that contributes to efficient competitor analysis. And yes, you can outrank them by using an enhanced version of their strategy. What's the impact of conducting competitors analysis? Because all of us have just a little bit of curiosity about how much effort is being placed into SEO positioning. The more knowledge you can deduct about a competitor's strategy means strengthening and innovating your own to position your business higher. In a highly competitive and complex world as the online marketing, constant market analysis, the consumer, and their shopping behaviors are essential to pair with proper research through SEO competitor analysis. So, how do you discover who your online competitors are? You guessed right, Google. But if you want to get granular, your most effective approach would be using tools such as Ahrefs and SpyFu, among others. But before you invest time in an in-depth SEO competitor analysis, the first step will always be to determine who your online competitors are. Don't get me wrong, you more than anyone knows who your direct competitors are. However, you would be surprised that online research and data could tell you otherwise. How to choose which competitor to use for analysis. When performing an SEO competitor analysis, one of the best ways to find your online competitors is by honing on in your main keywords for the geolocation you are targeting and taking note of who is ranking the top positions. Pro tip: if you're not physically located in your target locations, you can use a VPN such as Google Location Changer to get accurate results. Suppose you're in California but targeting users in Nevada. In this case, using a VPN tool will allow you to see the SERP results as if you were actually in Nevada. What do you include in competitor research? Okay, so you have a pretty clear idea of your SEO competitors. It's now time to look under the hood to see what they're up to with your organic efforts. Here are 3 components to prioritize when performing research and making it count. 1. Keyword competitor analysis. So, here's where a little detective work comes into play. By analyzing your competitors' keyword strategies, you can revamp your own. Now, usual analytics platforms like Google Search Console and Google Analytics won't give you the answers you're looking for, so consider using additional support from other tools such as SpyFu is one of the most popular ones. It's ideal because of its pricing and features compared to others of its caliber and allows you to look at data such as valuable keywords from any website. Gain access to many related keywords and how many of them your domain has in common. This will give you a clear overview of your competitor's digital strategy. Ahrefs. Compare keywords and have an accurate online benchmark. Ahrefs will save you a lot of time and provide essential data for your analysis by finding out what's working for competitors. Most importantly, it gives you even further insight, such as your competitors' competition. Second, backlinks analysis. Okay, so here's what's considered the trickiest part of research: backlink analysis. Tools such as Ahrefs help you with that. Once you have gathered the data, list which backlinks you don't have and order them accordingly to the domain authority. You'll want to use your efforts to build links with high domain authority only. Pro tip: make sure to incorporate backlink improvement opportunities in your monthly task for backlink building. Find out who links to you and your competition. Number 3, content analysis. This section of an SEO competitor analysis aims to uncover your online competitors' top performing and underperforming content to pinpoint your competitive advantages and determine what topics you can add to your website to innovate your content. Takeaways. So, how's that perspective on SEO competitor analysis now? Identifying strengths and weaknesses and accessing essential data from your SEO competitors is definitely a game changer for the success of your SEO strategy. Now, this isn't a one-time task. Consistency is key to ensuring your SEO strategy and effectiveness stay on point. And tapping into the insights of an SEO competitor analysis can give your business the top ranking it's looking for. Enjoyed this video? Well, stay tuned by subscribing to our YouTube channel and ringing the bell to get notified about our latest videos on everything digital marketing. We post new content every week. See you again soon.